What's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Boya Lavalier microphone. So I was using this generic lapel mic for like almost 9 months. I bought from Amazon for less than 300 bucks. You can check the video out and it is still recommended if you want to start the video editing game or voiceover game, if you want to record for your videos or some other purpose. For starting, it's just great for less than 300 bucks. But we thought let's up the audio game with you guys' incredible support. Now we have more than 3,000 subscribers. It is necessary to increase the audio, and hence we bought this Boya Lavalier BY-M1 microphone. Now this is recommended by millions of YouTubers, so this is not a review, this is just an impression of what I think this microphone is. So this is the Boya M1 Lavalier microphone, and this is still used by many reputed YouTubers. So let's keep the box aside for the time being and let's see on the features. So you have clip-on mic, you have omnidirectional condenser, you have low handling noise, and it comes with the battery, windscreen, and 1x4 adapter. So this can be used with DSLR, and you can see it is original. It has a sticker, and you also have the battery. So I will leave the original link in the description. There are some fake on Amazon as well. I will leave the original link in the description below. So make sure to check that out. So let's remove this weird attached sellotape connected battery. So this can be bought from outside and you can upgrade, and this is mostly for DSLR. So if you're using with this phone, it doesn't require. I'm using it this phone, so probably I will remove it after the installation. Let's remove the box. There is no seal in the box, sadly. Let's remove this up, and the packaging seems to be very impressive, and you have a very nice black leather case. I mean, the quality of the leather case is very nice. It is black and Boya is printed. And it is very nice leather quality. You have some manuals with it and nothing inside the box. So let's look at the manuals. So the manual says how to use it. Like the button is for devices, like one for camera, one for smartphone, and some Chinese printed. So this is a Chinese company, and this is shipped from Shenzhen. So for smartphone, for audio, you also have full guide of how to install the battery inside it. And basically I'm recording this whole video with this microphone, and there's some noise in the background, so you can definitely have a look, connect your earphones and see how it sounds. Probably it sounds better than my old, of course, way better. And you can see the build quality is stellar. It clearly says Boya camera off in smartphone. This button is used, so I will just uh, toggle it back to smartphone, and inside it you have to put the battery. Let's screw this up. Yeah, I'm not going to screw this up, but I'm going to rotate and put the batteries. And it was very difficult to put the battery inside. There was a foam, and I want to use, like, I have used tweezer to put the battery in. So here I have put the battery in after like 10 to 15 minutes of trying. It was difficult to fit the battery, but once you are done, then probably from next time it won't be that harder. Let's close this lid, and it clearly says Boya microphone, and you have again the on off switch, and the cable is very long. I mean, this is useful as well as disadvantage. You have the microphone and a very long cable with the Boya printed on the strap, as well as 3.5 mm headphone jack. So now let's have a look at some accessories that they ship inside it. So you have silicone gel. Let's give it to the jack of unbox therapy, and some accessories. So let's remove the accessories in this cover. This is also very nicely packed. So first of all, you have this windscreen. So this is a very nice foam windscreen, and it is very thick. Like, I've used the generic one, it was very small and very light, but this is very thick and very nice foam to give a better noise isolation. Now let's have a look at the adapter. So this is the SLR adapter, a 1x4 adapter. So this can be used if you want to connect this mic directly to your DSLR. So just press the 3.5mm headphone jack, and you now have SLR port connected to the DSLRs or connected to any preamplifier. You also have this clip, and during the the time of unboxing, I was having no idea of how to attach it, but finally I found a way to do that. This mic is highly recommended, and you can check the video description with the Amazon link. And hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the show if you aren't already. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.